There's a new Purple commercial, and it's called the Human Egg Test.
And the all-new HED test, or human egg drop test.
No one's going to be hurt in this video, but we are very curious about finding out what's gonna happen. We're just gonna use 2 eggs. We're gonna drop our kid on a safe purple mattress. Look at those grids. The grids are supposed to keep BX safe as well as my son. Better keep it safe. So let's see what's gonna happen. And I mean, we're not as expert as they are, but it's worth a try. These eggs are raw, by the way. They're not good. Completely raw. So, it's a make or break. And if it's a break, I am not in charge of cleaning up. Alright, stick around. Number 1 survived without a crack, but I'm gonna crack it. Oh.
Egg number 2. Can I be on the purple? No. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Go over there. Egg number 2. Okay, we did it. All right, Purple Innovations did it right here at Non-Bias Ink Labs. I mean, check this out. Thank you so much. That was awesome. We did really, really well. So thanks, that was awesome. You can disappear. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to move this bed to a different room and replace it with another bed. I'm not going to tell you which bed it is. It doesn't matter, probably. But we're going to do the same experiment with the human egg test and see what happens. So purple versus different mattress. Okay, we're going to show you purple mattress and the human egg test versus any other mattress. Now today I have picked this particular mattress, and just an FYI before you guys start wondering why am I destroying a mattress, I could have donated it. I would have loved to donate this mattress, but this is a Canadian, one of the Canadian mattresses I have been reviewing. Actually, I have reviewed. And also, another FYI, it's one of the best mattresses. I am not destroying it for any reason rather than I have to destroy it. It cannot stay in the USA. So I thought might as well use a mattress that is going to go in the recycle bin. So we decided to use that one. Just wanted to clarify this. I do not throw away mattresses and trash them. But I'm going to do this test on this mattress because it's going to waste anyway. We do have, an agreement. Canadian mattresses cannot stay here. I only did my job as a reviewer reviewing this mattress, and now it's done and it's posted. So I decided this is the best mattress to put to the test if I'm going to make a mess with these raw eggs. Now, You all witnessed and saw what happened with the purple mattress as we dropped our awesome son. But he's fine.
Okay.
He's perfect. And so let's see what happens with any other mattress. Doesn't have to be, again, this mattress in particular. Any other mattress. I am prepared for some mess, I guess, mentally. I was prepared with the purple, by the way, but dude, I can't believe we made it. So that's awesome. Let's see what happens with this one.
Let's see what happens. Oh, they survived!
Okay. Well, I think we have one of the best eggs out there. Alright, guys, we're going to start reviewing eggs from now on. Alright, these eggs survived this mattress. That's very impressive. Probably tells you something about their top layer then. It is one of the best Canadian mattresses. Oh my gosh, my Canadian friends from Douglas are going to be happy to see this. Alright, just to show you that the eggs were raw. Here's egg number 1. Number 2. Alright. Okay. That's it, guys.